Want to see something? Ta-da! Looky, looky, looky! My Avion just arrived in the backyard today. And this stuff I just crammed down in there to keep water out. But I can cut all this off, all this stuff off. Get a pop rivet gun for these rivets, whatever you call them. Ribboning. Pop rivets. And fix that. For my Avion to come down, which actually it can't because of the tree, but anyway, this has to be fixed, so that's not no biggie. It can be pushed back towards the house a little bit, past this tree if need be, but it's alright. Bootsy, what do you think about it? Bootsy? Bootsy kind of matches it. So, my son's going to come out and level this up. You can see where I cleaned it last year with window cleaner. You can check out my YouTube old videos. But this stuff, I just lick my finger. See, that comes right off. See? With a window cleaner is what I did it. I still have to get up on top, which I got the ladders and all the supplies to do that. And I watch YouTube videos, and it's really simple, like painting, to do your sealant on your roof. I think it's silver looking paint, or goo, whatever. This I have, I gotta get it to where it will go up in here and stay. I had it duct taped and that came off in the moving, but I'll fix that. So hopefully I'm find something to get all this off that they had already on there. Duct tape, glue stuff. So anyway, they wanted it parked the other which way, but I didn't want to block the view from the kitchen window for the house. And with this being silver, the sun hits it. And so the only thing glowing is the tip top above the bedroom when you're standing there in the kitchen. And we still got to get the rest of this off. I did most of it till a copperhead bit my boot. But anyway, I got it close to the house like the landlord wanted. Not in the exact spot he wanted, but where he wanted would have took me over the water lines. And I didn't want it to bust and cause damage. So I thought this way, it's out of the way of the road there, which is what the landlord wanted. And it doesn't block the view from the house. It's not in the way of anything. Our garden spot's going to be down there if we even get to do it this year. So I won't be in the way of the garden either. And I won't be on top of this. So here we are. Peace and love, everyone. And so this part of my journey begins. And I'm very excited. And so is Pearl. And I show him this video with Pearl's beautiful face. Kiki. Say bye, everyone. Peace and love all. Bye. And miracles, yes, they do happen.